Steve, all the years I've been working with you at DMG MORI UK, it's been a real privilege to come here at Pfronten. Obviously, what a wonderful facility this is, but what I really want to know is that why do you put so much time and effort to bring UK customers and prospective customers at the Pfronten Openhouse?
Okay, well we do a 2-day round trip with customers. This week we've got about 100 customers coming over here. But it's important actually because we can show them so much more. We can show them the factory, the facilities of the factory. We can show them very big machines, very big portal machines, gantry machines that we can't really get into the UK. We've got a few installations, but it's very bringing these guys and letting them have a lot of time to savour it, to talk to the experts. We've also got lots of other opportunities to talk to people from other factories throughout, not just Pfronten. So we've got the representation from the Co side, from the Mori side on there, from Gildemeister with the multi-spindle type machines, all the way through. And then there's other partners as well that we're working with to give us the latest technology, particularly on the digital platforms, which really is a thing of today.
Well, it's quite a theme, isn't it? Because we come from your events in the UK, we visit EMO, for instance, we've got MACH coming up. The theme is very much automation, digitalisation to a certain extent. But before we talk about the machines on show here specifically, I'm amazed that 8,000 or over 8,000 people visit here. That's better than some shows actually in the UK, isn't it?
Well, we normally get more, but actually as a responsible company, we've stopped any travel coming in from China. Who actually bring a big contingency in normally. But yeah, 8,000 people, generally it's around about 10. You know, it's half of what MACH will bring in, but they're all here for a reason. And they're here to talk in detail, and the experts are here to actually help them go through that detail as well.
And on show you've got 40 machines, most of them have got automation solutions to them, but you've got 4 premiers, you've got the DMU 65 behind us, yet again, a bit of a game changer to yes. DMG MORI, isn't it?
Absolutely, you're machining upside down, you've got the automation, in this case it's 9 pallets on the front, you know, there's some really nice 5-axis movement stuff in there. It is a game changer, as you say, yes.
And come April, we got our UK trade show, we got MACH coming up. Tell us the theme of what you're going to be having on your stand and what you're really going to be demonstrating.
Okay, well we carry the theme through, which is inside the group, of digitalisation, looking at how we can actually capture information, use that information carefully to analyse what's happening in the factory. But the automation side of it as well is very, very important. So we will be having robots systems in there, both by side loading and front loading on turning. We'll have pallet systems on horizontals, on 5-axis machines as well. So again, very, very straightforward, simple automation that can give high productivity to the machine tools.
And when you look at MACH specifically, what's your message to any engineers that are looking for a machining solution that will be visiting MACH 2020?
Okay, well one of the things is come on the Monday, come on the Friday, because they're the 2 quiet days. They're the days that you can get the most attention, not just from us, but from all the other suppliers out there as well. So that's a good day to visit, 2 good days to visit. But actually we've got technology that will go way into the future. Perhaps some of the digital stuff won't be here for another 3 or 4 years, but we're talking about it, we're showing applications, and we've got the hardware and the software to work with it.
And there's a synergy between Pfronten and some of your other factories and the UK. Not many machines are leaving on their own anymore, are they?
No, from a point of the factories, we've got commonality among the factories. We've got product that's being built in Pfronten, that's being built in Japan, same product to supply, so we're not shipping thousands of castings around the world, and that's for an ecological point of view, so that's very, very important, but also a time point of view, so get quicker deliveries, faster deliveries. But no, I mean business is still brisk. It's been good. First month's been great. I think the political situation has now stabilised a little bit. The PMI came up a little bit, albeit that there still is concern in capital investment, but we're seeing some good growth in that. So I think MACH has possibly come at a good time for the UK in general, and I think it's a good time to invest for UK manufacturing.
Well, it's been a pleasure to be here, but also we're looking forward to help promoting your stand as part of your MACH pack on the Tuesday at MACH. We're looking forward to actually joining you on that Tuesday.
You'll have a great day. There's loads to see, some really good stuff, and we've got some good people there to show you how it works.